Welcome to another video, guys. In today's video I'll be trying Chinese food for the first time. Do you know what I will order? Let me know down below in the comment section, and also drop this video a like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because tonight I'll be eating Chinese food for the first time ever. Will it live up to the expectation, or will it be nah? We will never know until I try it out. So stick with me, and let's go get the Chinese food.
Okay guys, this is the restaurant that I'm talking about. And to be honest guys, I am torn between one of the stores on this menu, so I don't know which one I'm going to get. They have chicken fried rice, chicken chow mein, sushi platter, and California tempura prawn. Whatever I'm eating is gonna come from one of these. Here is the restaurant. Oh, sorry. In case you're wondering, this is the Tommy Sushi and Chinese Takeaway. It is located right here at Amazon Tot. This is what you see when you get into the restaurant. I just placed my order and they said it's gonna take 15 to 20 minutes.
A few moments later.
I got the food. This is the food that I got from the Chinese restaurant. Can you guess what is inside? I'm about to open it up, and my reaction for the first time, guys. I've been hearing about this food online when I'm watching K-drama, when I'm watching movies on Netflix. I used to hear a lot of this food, and when I decided, you know what, I've been on a mission where I want to eat different food from different cultures. I want to experience cultures of different people through food. And I decided, you know what, let me start it off by trying Chinese food. So here is the first food. And here, yo guys, the aroma is very nice. I haven't even started eating and the aroma is overtaking my nose. Yo, guys, okay. One of the problems that I found out, I was hoping to see a chopstick, because you know, Chinese chopstick. So I've been training myself with a chopstick, hoping to show you guys my skill set of eating with a chopstick. But as you can see, they didn't give me any chopstick. They gave me this plastic fork. And let's see, because guys, I didn't just order one food. You know, it's Chinese food. When you want to eat, you have to eat too. So that is what I decided to do for myself. So I ordered two different food from the menu I showed you guys. So moment of the truth, guys, the reveal. Let me show you guys what I ordered. Guys, I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out. Yo, okay guys. Moments of the truth. Yeah. Wow. Let me take it right in. Guys, can you see? Guys, whenever I see food, I'm the happiest person. Let me tell you what is going on here. Here is chicken fried rice. And on my left is what I call chow mein. Chow mein. Guys, we're gonna be trying everything for the first time, and this chicken fried rice, I've seen it a lot of time from Uncle Roger.
Thank you.
Yes, Uncle Roger prides himself as the best chicken fried rice cook on the planet and on the internet. So I'm gonna try this chicken fried rice, and I'm gonna rate it, and then I'm gonna try this chow mein, and then I'm gonna rate it. So here in the chicken fried rice, we have the chicken. So let me give it a bite. Guys, it is chicken, but guys, this guys, I pity you you that is watching. So let's try the rice. So there are so many veggies here, but I just want to get only the rice, and we'll see. Let me take this mic off, it's blocking my view. Okay, so the rice is nice. It's not I don't know if it's basmati rice, but I feel like it's a normal long grain rice, not the basmati rice. So the rice is good, the chicken is good, and the veggies very nice, very well caramelized, and it is nice. So let's eat everything together, guys. Let's show everything together. Guys, I'm in cloud 9. Yo. I didn't even bother to bring my water and my favorite Sprite because I want this taste to linger in my mouth. That's why I didn't bother bringing my water. So let's chow first, then off camera, I'm gonna drink water and my Sprite. Oh, guys. I'm gonna say it again. God bless the people that found out food. Know what I mean? God bless the people that found out food. You know, I will keep repeating this thing. We need to erect statues for people that discovered food. Imagine they say, here lies Shooks, the man that ate food from all around the world. Guys, won't you drop your flower? I know I will. So let's try the chicken chow mein. So what this simply means is fried noodles. Yes, chicken chow mein just simply means fried noodles. Like we have our fried rice here, we also have our fried noodles. So let's try the chicken chow mein. Here is the vegetable, and not too much vegetable. I was hoping, from what I've read online, I was hoping to see enough vegetable, but there are not too much vegetable, and I think they overloaded this with sauce.
You fucked up.
Especially soy sauce. It's overloaded. Like, I don't know if you can see the color, but it is overloaded with sauce. So let's give it a try and see. So I have the noodles, I have the pepper, the green pepper, and the chicken. So let's eat. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's high time I look for Chinese name. It is high time I look for an Asian name. Chinese, Korean, any name. Give me an Asian name. I need it because Asian people. Kudos to you guys. Guys, this is a solid. For this, I'm gonna give it 7.5. And the reason for the 7.5 is, from the pictures I saw online when I was researching this food, and the picture that I saw here, and the taste, it's not living up to what I expected. But for the chicken alone, it is nice. But for this fried rice, it's a solid 10. It's a bomb. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Now imagine. DJ Chooks on the deck. Fried rice, fried noodles. Fried rice, fried noodles. Only I can do it. Oh. Guys, this is divine. This is nice. Solid 10 over 10. Guys, I'm not gonna finish this all by myself. Like I said, I'm gonna share with my family, and I want to hear from them, their reaction and their face. You know, the face I'm making right now when I'm eating this, I want to see their face when they taste this. If you see me go broke, just know that this is what made me broke. Chicken fried rice. That is what made me improve. This, nah, not too much. I over expected something from them, but nah, this is not it for me. But this, kudos. Alright guys, no more. Drop your comment down below. Have you tried chicken fried rice? And what is your first time reaction? And what did you rate it when you tried it for the first time? And if you haven't tried it, you need to give it a try. Also, chicken chow mein, have you tried it? If you haven't, give it a try and let me know. Also guys, what culture and heritage should I experience next? Because this is an experience for me, guys. Experiencing Chinese culture through food. Let me know what type of food or what food you want to see me eat next. Now, I'm gonna leave this for my family to eat. But yeah, that will be off camera. Okay? Adios muchachos, guys. Bye.